Hello Jollinatics! For today's video, pahinga muna tayo sa food vlog at wellness and relaxation muna tayo. And I heard nga na meron daw bagong beauty clinic dito sa Cavite that offers wide varieties of beauty and wellness services. At eto nga yung Bella Calista Beauty Lounge na located dito sa may second floor ng DNA Building along Avenida Rizal Street, Bacoor, Cavite. Marami nga silang services and procedures na ino-offer dito from skin and botox treatment, advanced facial, lipo treatment, nails and other non-surgical procedure at marami pang iba depende kung anong kailangan nyo. And yung sinubukan nga ng wife at mother ko dito is their Thai head spa massage package na for only 2,299 per packs lang yan. May kasama na yung head massage para relax ka muna before the procedures, scalp therapy na may kasama ng deep hair cleansing, dandruff removal procedures na ginagamitan pa nila ng Thai soup for anti-dandruff, and this also lessens hair loss and improve hair growth at the same time. Included na rin dyan yung facial massage at yung sikat na Thai head spa watering therapy. At habang ginagawa nga nila yan, meron na rin free Bulgarian mask na kasama yan. And yung ilan nga sa mga benefits na dulot ng kanilang Thai watering therapy bukod sa relaxation na dulot nito, it also improves blood circulation and oxygenation for a healthier scalp and hair growth. And included na nga rin dyan yung kanilang Hydra facial treatment na ginagamitan nila ng mga modern machines that uses LED light therapy, which improves skin texture, reduce acne and hyperpigmentation, tighten pores, and napakarami pang benefits. They also do PDT, which uses infrared light to tighten the skin and minimize pores, as well as boosting collagen production ng ating mga balat. And yung isa pang maganda dito, kasama na rin dyan yung 30 minutes sa loob ng kanilang cocoon pod that helps improve sleep, pain relief, weight management, detoxification at marami pang iba. And to complete it all up, meron na rin yung 10 minutes arm massage at 30 minutes body massage. There you go Jollinatics, if you're looking for a place that you along with your friends and loved ones can relax, pamper, and rejuvenate, at the same time confident kayo that you'll be taken care of with their expertise, subukan nyo na nga rin dito sa Bella Calista Beauty Lounge.